everyone and welcome back. So I have another kind of bath or indie bath vendor, I don't even know what you would call it, haul. This one is from a company who are called Bath Bake Love, another company that I've seen raved about on Instagram. So I decided to finally try their products. I did only order a few, so I got 3 items, but I absolutely love everything I got. These are very similar. If you saw my Happy Place Cosmetics haul, it's a very kind of similar concept where not 100% of the products are available all year round. It's just a lot of limited edition collections, and if you want to place a big order you have to really wait for a restock, which is probably every 2 to 3 weeks, and then again you have to get in quick to get what you want, just because these are all kind of independently run businesses, so they obviously don't have the staff that a company like Lush would do, so they can't obviously afford to stock the products all year round. So the first thing I got was the mint choc chip bath cream, and this was £6.95. This was one again that I'd seen absolutely raved about on Instagram. I haven't used this just because I needed to get a close-up shot of it, and it's so pretty that I couldn't risk ruining it, but it smells absolutely amazing. It basically smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. It doesn't smell synthetic or fake at all. It smells like you actually have an ice cream. It's also got a fake mint leaf and some chocolate chips on the top, so it looks really realistic as well, and this just smells so good. I can't wait to finally use this now that I have actually showed it in the haul, and I've heard really good things about these bath creams. There's another one they do which is a fudgy scent, which I've actually got in my second order, just because that was sold out when I placed my first order. That's another one that I've seen everyone rave about. So that was the first thing I've got. The next 2 things I've got I've actually used just because of the sort of packaging they were. I could use them without kind of ruining the close-up shots. So this is the Butter Honey Bath Syrup, and this was £5.15. What this effectively is it's almost like a bath oil, but it's not as heavy. Like if you use, I always find if I use a bath oil and then wash my hair gets really greasy. Whereas with this, it doesn't. The only way I could kind of think to describe it is it's like a bubble bath without the bubbles, which sounds weird, but the scent on this that you get when you put it in the water is so strong, and I've used this probably 3 or 4 times, so you don't need a lot, and it will easily overpower any of the other bath products that you're using. And this one, like the name suggests, it just smells very buttery and honey. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to get another one of this when I run out. It smells so good. And I know that the company also does other bath syrups. I think there's a vanilla one and a strawberry one. They're not normally scents I would go for, so this is kind of the only one in the permanent range that appealed to me. But this is so good. And I can't even pick a favourite from this, all of the 2 things I've tried, just because I love them both equally. Oh, another thing that's worth noting is she always includes the sample of, what's this called? Green tea, that's the one. This is in salted caramel. I haven't actually used that yet, but that's just like a nice kind of touch, because the whole kind of theme of the company is kind of like bakery and cakes and something similar to that, so that's really nice. And then the last thing I got was the cookie cream crumble scrub, and this was £5.95. Now I've used this a few times, and this is a really good scrub. If I could open it, and this just smells like chocolate cookies. It smells so good. Again, it's not synthetic or fake. That's good that they've actually managed to make the scent and make them smell like real bakery items instead of smelling very fake and synthetic. And this also has loads of chunks of chocolate and cocoa butter in it. It's not just a sugar scrub, so it's got really nice detail in it as well. And I find the scent of this also lingers on my skin after I've used it. Oh, this just smells so good. And what I love about this is I would probably say these products, scent payoff and the scent in general, just lasts a lot longer than even some of the Lush products I have. I find that when I use a Lush shower gel or soap, it doesn't stay, the scent doesn't stay on my skin afterwards, whereas with these it really does. And these are so good. Like I said, I've also got another order from them as well because I love them so much. Another thing this company does is limited edition collections every month. I think this month's theme was kind of like strawberry and very summery scent. Unfortunately I missed out on that restock, but I think she's restocking that collection again soon, which is good. But yeah, that was my very quick Bath Bake Love haul. Like I said, I'm going to have another one up soon in the same outfit because I never get a chance to film and I'm not going to bother changing my clothes. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.